Hello, and welcome to our channel Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing in crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and are looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. If you are a beginner in the world of credit, then you might have some questions about it. And learning about credit cards and their correct usage is the first step toward your financial journey. There is so much to learn about credit cards, and if you use them without proper knowledge, you may end up losing and costing more money. Well, this video is going to guide you on everything about credit cards, from its basics and working to choosing the best card for you. So continue watching the video until the end. Before we get into details, first let's understand what exactly a credit card is and how it works. What is a credit card? Well, it's a physical card that you can use to pay bills, make purchases, or can withdraw cash depending on the type of card. And the easiest way to understand a credit card is that it is a kind of short-term loan. You get this card when you open a credit card account and your company lets you borrow funds within a credit limit. Essentially, it is money you get from the credit card company to make purchases. Moreover, your credit will be reduced when you buy things from the card, and then you can pay back the amount you have spent from your credit limit. In addition, this is a convenient and secure way to make your payments. How do credit cards work? It is important to know the mechanics behind your card because when you know about all its works, then you will be able to use credit cards responsibly. Let's start by understanding the basics. So, you can use a credit card to pay your bills or make purchases in stores or buy online. If you use a card for any of them, the details of your card will be sent to the bank of your merchant. After that, the banks receive authorization from the credit card network to process the transaction. Eventually, your card provider will verify your details and can approve or decline. When the transaction is successful, the payment will be sent to the merchant and credits from your account get deducted from the transaction amount. When your billing cycle ends, you will receive a statement with details of all transactions from your card issuer. It includes the minimum due payment, due date, previous balance, and new balance. There is also a grace period, which is the time when you make a purchase on a specific date, and there is a due date on which you have to pay the bill back in your account. In this period, if you pay the bill within the due date, then there will be no interest charges. However, if you carry a balance from month to month, then you will be charged with interest. Also, the annual percentage rate APR of your card is the cost of the balance that you can carry on an annual basis. It contains both interest rates and other costs, like the annual fee if you have it on your card. Well, many cards come with a variable APR, which is linked to the prime rate. And in this, the APR of your card can be changed with time. Although there are strict guidelines from the Card Act 2009 on the companies on when they can or cannot raise the rate. Also, many credit card providers charge an annual fee on your card. It's for the purpose to remain the cardholder, and you have to pay this once a year. Furthermore, credit cards also provide revolving credit, and it is like a rechargeable battery. To explain this to you, suppose you have a $1,000 credit limit on your card, and you spend $400. This means you have $600 as your available balance, and you can only pay $600 before you hit the limit of your card. But if you pay the bill of $300 on your credit limit, then you can spend $900 as you have recharged your account. And credit cards are separate from non-revolving credit providers as they do not provide more credit when they are paid off. For example, car loans and home loans. Important terms that you should know. Secured credit card. This card contains a security deposit when you open your account. Unsecured credit card. The first term that you should understand is the unsecured credit card. It is the card that does not need any advanced security deposits from the user. Balance transfer. It is a term used for transferring the balance from one card to another. This is mostly because of the low APR of one card. Also, not all cards provide this feature. Cash advance. A cash advance is used to receive cash, and they have high APRs and contain immediate interest. Available credit. As the name suggests, this is the remaining balance on your card. Credit limit. This is the limit that a card credit contains. Most of the cards have a different limit for cash advances. For instance, if a card has a limit of $10,000 and has a $3,000 cash advance limit, it means that out of the $10,000 limit, $3,000 can be used for a cash advance. Minimum payment. This is the minimum amount you have to pay on your card within the due date. But if you don't pay this payment, then the card provider can charge a late fee. Credit score. This number depicts your credit worthiness, and it shows the record of how likely you pay back your borrowed balance. Statement balance. This is the balance of your most recent statement closing date. If you pay this full amount in the billing cycle, then you can easily avoid the interest charges on your purchases. Enjoying till now? Please hit the like button, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. 5 best credit cards for beginners. Number 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. This card is a well-rounded secured card, and it is great for beginners because it offers the opportunity to build credit by providing cash on each purchase and comes with a $0 annual fee. However, this is a secured card, and it requires a security deposit from $200 to $2,500, and it becomes your line of credit. In case if you do not pay back your borrowed balance, Discover will use this security deposit to recover the loss. Moreover, the cardholders receive a 2% cashback at restaurants and gas stations on combined purchases up to $1,000. Discover will not charge a fee if you pay late for the first time, but after that, it will charge a late fee of up to $40. Remember, on-time payments are the most important factor that affects your credit score. Number 2. Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. Well, the Capital One card provides the opportunity to get a higher credit line than your first security deposit. And it is not the same for most secured credit cards that offer you a credit line for your security deposit. This card needs a minimum refundable deposit of $49 to $200, though you'll get an initial credit line of $200. In addition, with the Capital One, you can receive a high credit line if you deposit more funds before opening your account, but it has a limit of up to $1,000. Furthermore, this card comes with a $0 annual fee and offers a 26.99% variable APR. The Capital One card is the best option if you like to use a secured card to enhance your credit score. However, this Platinum secured card does not offer rewards, but you can get an increased limit if you demonstrate responsible card usage. Number 3. Discover It Student Cashback Card. This card is designed for students and has no annual fee charges, and it lets the users get a 5% cashback at different places every quarter to the quarterly maximum after the activation of the card. Not only that, but it also provides 1% cashback on all purchases automatically. Moreover, you will also receive the following bonus when you sign up. It provides unlimited cashback matches only from Discover. It automatically matches the cashback you have received at the end of the year. This way, you can turn your $100 cashback into $200. However, there are no maximum spending or minimum rewards you get cashback for the dollar-to-dollar match. This student cashback card is amazing for students to build a strong credit history and score. They can earn rewards by spending in the popular categories. As the card is specially designed for students, that's why it has a fair credit limit. You must be 18 years old if you want to apply for this card and have to show proof of your education. Number 4. Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. The Open Sky Secured Card is an amazing card that does not require a credit check to be approved. Well, this card is designed for people with limited, bad, or poor credit. It also requires a security deposit, which is from $200 to $3,000, which is refundable and also serves as the line of credit. Also, it provides access to Visa benefits. It also offers an ongoing APR of 17.39%, and it can vary according to the user history. This card also charges a $35 annual fee, and you will be charged a 3% of transaction fee if you purchase something outside of the US. So, the question arises, what is the significance of this card? Well, this card does not require a credit check at the start, and it can be the best option for beginners as well as other users who have bad credit. Because other cards require your credit history, that's why you can apply for this card if you're in a tough financial situation. By the way, you have to provide your information like your annual income and housing payment type. However, the Open Sky card does not allow you to transition to an unsecured card even after showing responsible card usage. Number 5. Deserve EDU Mastercard for Students. This card also offers 1% unlimited cashback to the cardholders on every purchase. Deserve EDU Mastercard also provides a $59 reimbursement for the students who have the Amazon Student Prime membership. This card charges no annual fee, and comes with an APR of 18.74%, and it is also available for all purchases. And the best thing is there is no transaction fee if you do foreign transactions with your card. Which type of cards is best for beginners? If you are a beginner, then you should go for a credit card that has no annual fee, so you can use your card as much as you can without worrying about maintaining it. And you should go for secured cards because, as a beginner, you do not have a credit score. When you pay the security fee, then more lenders will accept your card as their customer. And in the end, student cards can be a great option if you are currently in college and want to build credit. There you have it. That's all we have for the video. If you're looking to get your first credit card, make sure to keep your expenses in check and pay your balance in time to build a decent credit score. That's it. If you have any questions about credit cards, reach out to us in the comments down below. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.